Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, it's like the producers of Umkhokha are saying, listen, we are going to bring flame after flame, scatter after scatter, since we are coming to a close of the season. Guys, this week, what we can expect of on Umkhokha, because we see Ubaba uDifa asking uMamZoba ukuthi iphi indodakazi yami. Shuthi uMamZoba decided to take ingane to Lwazi's parents' home without telling Ubaba uDifa ukuthi uNokhuzana ke sekahlala laphayana ingane yakhona, uGabi G sekahlala khona. But the problem is, guys, when uGabisile goes and stay there, siyazi ke ukuthi uSphofia umprofethi omkhulu. uSphofia has a vision, you guys, and in this vision he sees iqanda engathi liyawa or something like that, and then mekazama uliqosha livele life lelo qanda. So he's telling this story, he's relaying it to some other lady, and this lady interprets the dream for him. She says when an egg breaks, what the meaning of it is ukulahlekelwa, you guys. So what uSphofia does, he goes to uGabisile and tells uGabisile ukuthi wena unemfihlo, you have imfihlo that you've been keeping, and if I will khuluma iqiniso, if you don't bring out the secret, lo mntwana lo uzochitheka. I'm just like, guys, let's just try and debrief lento. uSphofia could not see ukuthi ulwazi ukhululise uNokhuzana uGabi G. Kodwa he knows how to see ukuthi uGabi G unemfihlo that she's keeping. I'm just like, yazama gift abantu. Asebenza mekathanda. So the plot twist is, yeah, uZobisto took uMamZoba took uGabi G to that family, guys. And she's doing it so that they can own up with Alalabo. But can this backfire on them? Because remember, guys, imfihlo that they are keeping is that phela uZobisto, uMamZoba is the one that forced uNokhuzana uGabi G to kill Umthembu for her. Guys, that's how Ubaba uDifa doesn't know nothing. So could it be that he's going to find out that uGabisile benoma wakhe, they took uNokhuzana Ubaba Umthembu's life, and they tried to make uMabusi barren? It looks like, guys, what's going to be unfolding this week. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this, you guys. But listen, I need some sort of justice for uGabisile, but it looks like, hey guys, it doesn't look like it's gonna turn out in a happy ever after type of ending we thought it's going to be. Anyway, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just a way of showing support towards this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.